I get this question asked all the time. Is affiliate marketing saturated, and can I actually build a six-figure business even though I see so many people doing it? And can I actually be successful, and can I quit my job like you did? Well guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you a weird and even unique niche that is selling a make money online product. Now guys, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's so many niches that you can get into, right? You can get into the health and fitness niche, the make money online, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, gardening. It doesn't really matter. You can get in a lot of niches. Now, most of my followers on YouTube follow me because they want to do the make money online niche. So we're going to stick with that niche, but we're going to take a different angle. I'm going to show you a case study of somebody selling a make money online product, but they're actually selling this product by making videos of what they're actually passionate about. So I'm really excited to get into this video. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach you how to build a passive income business. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. Now, before I show you the example, I kind of want to talk about saturation first. I think a lot of people are worried that there's so many people doing it and they're not going to get a piece of the pie. And first of all, I just don't want you to have that mindset. I want you to come into the affiliate marketing space knowing that there's so many people out there, guys, over 7 billion people, and you will make money as long as you're consistent. Now, that being said, there's things that you can do to have a blue ocean. If you don't know what a blue ocean is, it's basically, there's a red ocean and a blue ocean. The red ocean is where everyone's fighting for customers and, it's gonna be hard to make some money, right? A blue ocean is where there's not a lot of people, there's not a lot of sharks swimming for food, and you can literally go to this blue ocean and get customers, right? And I want to show you how you can do that by picking a different angle with your affiliate marketing business. And I'm just going to show you an example of this, okay? Now, the example I want to show you is my wife's channel, Alicia Darleen. Now, her channel is all about baby tips, being a new mom, all this stuff, okay? Obviously, she's a new mom and she's taking people through her journey, okay? Now, this is a weird niche, especially if you're promoting a product like Legendary Marketer or the 3-day challenge, right? Because it doesn't make sense. But how can we use our passion to promote a product that doesn't make sense? And this is what I want you guys to think about as you're creating your brands. Now, obviously, my wife is not into the make money online niche. She doesn't really care to talk about that in her YouTube videos, but what she does like talking about is baby tips, mama tips. How can you be a better mom? How can you, better tips to be more efficient with your child, right? This is what she likes talking about. She's taking people through her journey. Now, what I want to show you is she's actually promoting, things like Legendary Marketer. She's promoting, obviously, my program, the 3-day challenge. But how is she doing that? How is she taking a different angle? And she's got her blue ocean, okay? Now, obviously, people that watch her videos are people looking to, they're possibly pregnant, they're possibly new parents. So she knows her target audience, right? So what she does is she obviously gives them videos on baby tips. But in the beginning of the video, she talks about her being able to stay at home with our kids. So that being said, she takes the angle of being a stay-at-home mom and how they can build an online business, right? Now, let me just show you an example of what this looks like.
We are so close. Just quickly, like I try to mention every single video, if you want more information about how me and my husband are able to stay home, we make a full income from home. We don't have to take Avia to a daycare and just trade, time for money. If that's something that you're interested in, is just working from home because you are either a stay-at-home mom or you just want to stay home while you work, you don't want to have to leave, you can click the link in the first description or the first link in the description below if you want for more information about that, just how we're able to stay home, which to me is pretty awesome.
Now, you can see that my wife is about to talk about what to expect at week 26 being pregnant. Now, she just puts in at the beginning of the video that she's able to stay home with our daughter and to click the link in the bio. And this is kind of what it looks like here. When people click on the link, they go to this bridge page or this opt-in page here where it says, learn exactly how I built a $10,000 per month business, selling other people's stuff while being a stay-at-home mom. So guys, you gotta understand, she's got her own blue ocean. I can't talk to her customers because I can't resonate with them, right? My customers are people that, are looking to leave their 9-to-5 job. They hate their job because that's where I was at. So what I want you guys to understand is you can promote a product that doesn't make sense at first, as long as you can bridge the gap, right? She's able to bridge the gap because she's able to talk to stay-at-home moms or moms that, want to stay at home with their child, okay? So that's what I want to talk about as an affiliate marketer. Is I don't want you to have that mindset that, this whole process is saturated and that you're not going to make any money. That's actually a victim mindset, and that's not going to make you money, guys. I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys to build a successful online business. And I'll tell you that this is the hardest thing that I've ever done in my life. It was harder than when I, was getting my degree in electrical engineering. That was obviously very, very difficult. But building this business, I ran into so many roadblocks, so many things that stopped me from succeeding. And honestly, I should have quit, but I didn't. I continue to stay consistent in this journey. Now, I want you guys, I want to do everything I can to help you guys, especially when you're first starting out, right? And this is, obviously, I want to help my wife grow her business. And we sat down and we talked, how can we grow your business? How can we still promote the Make Money Online products, but with things that you're passionate about, okay? I really want you to kind of map out, what am I passionate about and how can we get people to buy the products that we're promoting? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Let me know if you have any questions down below about how you can make money online, affiliate marketing, and I'll leave a link to my wife's channel, Alicia, Darleen, if you want to follow her, if you're a new mom, if you want new mom tips, stuff like that, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys on the next video.